A cheeky parrot swoops into a sunny kitchen where a curious baby giggles and tries to imitate every sound. The bird answers with a chorus of whistles, turning snack time into a playful lesson on rhythm, patience, and sharing. When the baby drops a spoon, the parrot mirrors the clatter, encouraging a tiny rescue mission and big smiles. Neighbors join as dogs wag, grandma claps, and cameras flash while the room becomes a tiny circus of trust. By sunset, the baby learns to listen, the parrot learns gentleness, and a household finds harmony in daily silliness.